What's up, squad? Thanks for coming back by the channel. It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy Seed. We're gonna get right into this unboxing today. It's a shoe that didn't just drop today. It dropped about a week or two ago, but I want to get into it because it is so dope and amazing. If you've been here before, you know I'm a fan of Kobe sneakers, but I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why I feel like this shoe was slept on and why you need to buy it right now. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so you see the box. This is the Kobe 5 Pro. This is the Lunar New Year, year of the snake, or year of the Mamba, Kobe 5 in the Eggplant. And the first reason that you want to buy this shoe right now is because of the packaging. I mean, typically we get our black Kobe box. This is, you know, the colors of the new Lunar New Year for the snake have all been red and gold. And they gave us a red and gold Kobe box. That's just dope overall, something different to stand out right for this year. And let's just get into the packaging, man. Presentation is dope. You got the red box. Inside, first thing you see, we get a nice exquisite dust bag, right? Nice satin dust bag. You got the Kobe logo here, the Mamba logo with the Kobe signature. You got these drawstrings with the gold aglets on them. And I was told you can actually take these out and use these as shoestrings in the shoe, which is dope. I mean, I don't think I want to take the bag apart, but also you get this other logo on the back side of it. This is dope. This is like a new Year of the Snake 824 logo that they gave us for this release this year. And this is on the merch as well. Dope, man. This shoe just released recently for 190 bucks. Comes with a dust bag. Never get those in Kobe shoes. So this is dope in itself. All right. More on the presentation. You get some tissue paper with the snake scales on it, Mamba logos all over it. And then we get the shoe. All right. The shoe, the presentation, like I said, is another reason because everything here speaks Lunar New Year, speaks Kobe, year of the Mamba. And this is a shoe, you know, initially I didn't love it, right? I initially saw this and I was like, man, would Kobe wear this with this snake patch, you know, stitched on here? And then the more I thought about it, the more I was like, you know, in 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, as soon as you see this shoe, you know exactly when it was from, you know exactly what it's in reference to. And I said, this is one that sticks out. I mean, the colors are phenomenal. The Kobe 5 is a dope shoe. One of my favorite Kobe's as well. You got the snake that's on here around the swoosh. And this is all like embroidered, stitched onto the shoe. Even like the snake tongue, this is stitched into the material. So this is nothing that will like come off or wear away or anything like that, peel, which is dope. Your typical Kobe 5 construction. You put the snake skin print on the back. It's usually like a textile kind of mesh that goes here, but they opted out to give you like a you know, snake print. The Kobe signature that's on the back, it's still there, it's just faint, kind of black inside this black, like a little black scale in there. You get the black midsole, the icy blue bottom of the shoe, right? Typical setup on the Kobe 5. You got the carbon fiber midfoot, you know, plate there. And on the inside, you don't have the snake print. It's just the regular swoosh. Then on the tongue, they give you the Mamba logo in gold with that purple eggplant color. And this has snake print as well, like up along the tongue. Black shoestrings, nothing special fancy there, but basic, but super nice, man. Like a clean shoe. Let's see, when you take out the guts on the shoe, you got black in the liner inside. Then you got this. Now this Chinese writing is here, and this is actually what I researched on. This was Year of the Snake. Then on the insole, you've got this 824, actually like a patch that's stitched into the insole of the shoe. So again, something that won't rub off. Pretty dope. 824. I don't know. I love this shoe. I'm a fan of it. But again, it wasn't initially my first, you know, reaction. Was not cop. Make sure you cop these. But as I looked closer and thought about it, I said, you know, this speaks to Kobe and his Mamba personage, right? Persona. I can't even talk. His Mamba persona. We got the other shoe here. same design, same setup. The color is dope, right? You get the Eggplant, which is like a, you know, Lakers purple. Not the same as the Lakers purple, but purple and gold. So still in that family. And of course, the year of the snake means wisdom, prosperity, some other things that, you know, really pays homage to Kobe. So another reason, you know, that this shoe is something that you want to buy. This is just the perfect year to celebrate the Black Mamba, right? The year of the snake. The Mamba is a snake. I mean, you know, how much more perfect can that be? We haven't seen a Kobe during the Chinese New Year since the year of the horse, which was some years ago. But this is the perfect year, and this is a new, you know, post Kobe's passing, RIP, that they did something specifically for this. I love it, man. The new Kobe's that have been coming out, there've been a lot that have been really dope. Some have been okay, but this one made my list. Another reason you want to buy this shoe right now, overall, is just the design. The design, again, stands out. Can't go wrong there. But the last thing I'm gonna say is the price. So this shoe released retail for 190 bucks. You can get this shoe right now on secondary for like $212 in my size, $215. And I'm gonna tell you what, I mean, I think, you know, I've said it before, we had the big run up on Kobe's for the last, 2, 3, well, I guess 5 years really. It was solely because of what had happened. Because prior to that, I was able to buy Kobe's. And if you've been here before on my channel, you know I'm a big Kobe head, big Kobe fan. I was able to go in the stores and buy those, and they didn't start selling out like that. But we all know people were chasing the dollar. Now I think that's kind of settled. This shoe should be available. I mean, definitely on secondary. A few stores have had like a few pairs I've heard about, people walking in and been able to find one in your Foot Locker or your JD Sports, whatever. Yeah, we know we got the red version of this, the University Red, that's dropping this upcoming week in China. So that'll be a tough one to get, I think. Yeah, and see where it goes, man. But yeah, if you want to see more of my Kobe collection, tap in. I'll put the video up here for you on the screen. Make sure you sub up on your way out. Make sure you follow on IG at Real Daddy Seed. Thanks for tapping in and checking out the video. Let me know what you think of this shoe. Is it one you got for yourself or one that you may circle back and pick up? And I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.